Ciao a tutti, welcome back to my kitchen, where you can learn Italian regional recipes. Today we're going to Trentino Alto Adige, the most beautiful mountains in Italy are here. Just look how stunning the Dolomiti range is. We are going to make risotto with pumpkin and sausage, a very mountainy dish that warms the heart. I'm ready to show you. Andiamo! I'm using a butternut squash. For its sweetness that will balance the sausage well. Just cut it in half and remove the seeds with a spoon, like so. Take a paring knife and score the butternut in both directions. It doesn't have to be precise, just be careful not to hurt yourself. Place the squash on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Season with salt and pepper to taste. A couple of sprigs of dried thyme and 1 clove of garlic halved. Drizzle with a generous amount of olive oil and start massaging this wet rub everywhere. Turn them upside down with the garlic underneath. With the knife, poke some holes in the skin in order for the steam to be released. Put it in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 40 minutes. The next step is to cut these Italian sausages into bite-sized pieces. Now, let's go to the stove. Put olive oil in your skillet as well as 1 clove of garlic. Then you can add your sausage. In the meantime, heat up a pot of water and add 1 cube of veggie stock. We are going to add some flavor with some thyme, another clove of garlic, 1 shallot and 1 carrot. Don't forget to season your meat as well. Once the sausage is nice and crispy, set it aside for later. The butternut is ready. Just look how soft the result is. You can almost peel the skin off. Just turn it around and with the help of a spoon, scoop out everything. Don't waste any last bit. Put the butternut pulp in a blender and don't forget the roasted garlic as well. Blend everything until smooth. Let me tell you, this is already a great side dish for your recipes. Delicious. For a crispy and salty topping, let's make Parma ham chips. Just take some slices of ham and place them on a parchment paper and cover them. Let them crisp up gently at a moderate temperature of 120 degrees Celsius. You can put a weight over it if you like. Now we are ready to proceed with the risotto. On a non-stick pan, put extra virgin olive oil and 2 thinly chopped shallots. Once slightly softened, it's time for the rice. I am using Arborio Rice, about 120 grams of it. You don't want to wash the rice because we are going to need all the starch from it to bind the risotto together. Add into the pan and stir well until the rice is hot to the touch. In Italy, we say that rice is born in water and it dies in wine, in this case, champagne. Deglaze the pan with a good glass of champagne and start the cooking process by reduction and absorption. Take a ladle or two and add it to the rice. It should cover all the rice. You want to add more stock as soon as the previous quantity is absorbed. Remember to keep stirring as the rice may burn on the bottom. It should take about 15 minutes. While I do this, don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. Halfway through this process, add about 5 tablespoons of our roasted butternut puree and keep stirring until the rice is al dente. This is what your rice should look like and sound like after the cooking process. It is called a onda, which means the wave, and you can see and hear why. Off the heat, we are going to finish the risotto with what we call mantecatura, which is adding cold cubed butter and cheese to bind the risotto and make it extra creamy. I added about 1 tablespoon of cold butter, most of the sausage, and about 60 grams of pecorino cheese. We are ready to plate this dish. With this recipe you can feed a lot of people. Once on the plate, tap the bottom of your dish to spread the risotto evenly and naturally. Add a couple of reserved sausages, some more pecorino on top, and finish with the crispy Parma ham. And there you have it, a beautiful, heartwarming autumn dish. Now let's taste it. Wow, the taste is amazing. It's a salty dish but with a lot of sweetness from the butternut, a little garlicky, and the sausage makes it whole. It's a very good way to make your children eat pumpkins. Leave me a comment and tell me what you think. I'll see you next time. Ciao! Thanks for watching this video. As always, hit the subscribe button if you liked what you saw and support me and my mission to spread regional Italian recipes everywhere. Ciao e alla prossima ricetta!